What's happening, Fit Fam? It's time for this week's video. And this week's video is another workout of the day. The workout for this week is a good one. It's going to involve some barbell work. It's going to involve some body weight work. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So we'll get started with me explaining the circuit as a whole, and then I'll also explain it as you're watching the video. So here in a little bit, when you watch the video, I'm going to walk you through the warm-up that I like to use when I do any kind of ollie or Olympic movements. I feel like you need to warm up properly with the proper movements beforehand because they're explosive movements and you can really hurt yourself if you're not properly warmed up. And that's with any kind of workout, really. Let's start with the beginning of the workout. Now this, of course, is after you've done the warm-up. And I'm going to walk you through the warm-up as you watch the video of the warm-up, and I'll walk you through those movements. So once you've got the weights that you want on the bar, the weight that you can, again, move in a technical aspect comfortably, not comfortably, weight that you will have to strain, you have to put a little effort into moving, but you can move it technically. When I say comfortable, I mean you're comfortable in being technical in your movements. I really hope that makes sense. Okay. We are going to start with 3 deadlifts. You're going to move right into 3 power cleans. Then you're going to do 3 front squats. And then you're going to do 3 overhead presses. So 3 deadlifts, 3 power cleans, 3 front squats, and then 3 overhead presses. Now it's important that you understand this whole time you are not putting the barbell down. All right? Or letting go of the barbell. Of course, you're going to put the barbell down between your deadlift reps, but you are not letting go of the barbell. Now, all those movements together equal 12 reps. Then you're going to move on to the next exercise, which in this circuit is going to be 10 sit-ups. Standard sit-ups, nothing fancy. You just lay down, 10 full sit-ups. After that, you're going to move into 8 quality standard push-ups. Just 8 standard push-ups. Again, nothing fancy, just push-ups. Then you finish off with 6 sprawls. Not burpees, not half burpees, it's what we call sprawls. So you're going to lock out in a push-up position, kick your legs back, and then you're going to come to a standing position. There's no jump at the top, and your chest does not have to touch the ground. It's just sprawls. Okay, so the way this breaks down is 12, 10, 8, 6. So 12 of the barbell reps, 12 reps on the barbell movements, 10 sit-ups, 8 push-ups, and 6 sprawls. So you're going to do that complete circuit 6 times. And that is the full workout. And we get everything we need. We get some solid barbell work, we get some ab work, we get some upper body weight work, we get some conditioning with the barbell work and the sprawls. It is a solid all-around workout. And you can knock it out pretty quick depending on how heavy you load your bar. Again, keep it strenuous, but don't keep it dangerous. I hope that makes sense. Remember, when you're loading your barbell, keep it moderate. And when I say moderate again, I'm going to stress this. Use weight that you can move comfortably in a technical manner. Again, I don't want you to be comfortable where you're keeping it so light you can just throw the barbell through the ceiling, okay? Or throw it over your head like it's not even there. What I'm saying is that you need to keep enough weight on it to where you have to work to move it, but not so hard that you're sacrificing the technical aspects of the movements to get the barbell up.
Okay, so here's a pretty standard workout that I use when I know I'm going to engage in some Olympic lifting movements. Most times I only use the bar. Right here I just put some 5s on to add a little bit of weight to it. I start this warm-up with 5 deadlifts, and I go right into 5 upright rows. Then we move into 5 hanging cleans. Again, keep those nice and smooth. Focus on your form. From there, I move into 5 overhead presses. I try not to use momentum because, again, I'm just warming up the body. Then we finish up with 5 air squats. All right, now that our warm-up is complete, it is time to work.
Chest pump.
And that's the workout for this week, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Beg, borrow, steal. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember, no excuses. Keep fighting for fit. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys next week.